Yeah, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So it's just like a general thing that maybe I'm not okay, I don't want to generalize, but maybe the guys from here, they have different values to the girls.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes you'll find in some families, the girls are actually ready to get married, but then the guys are not focused and they're not ready. Like they have other agendas in their lives. Although they're working, they have jobs, they are like renting and all that stuff.
When you saw agenda, what do you mean by that?
But like maybe the appearance, like they're targeting certain things of a girl that certain like the girls in the community don't have, but they want in a specific girl. Let's say that the girl she's highly educated. Mweru, muwanvu, ainaka figure, ali portable, area. Biayagalo Lucy. So sometimes you'll find that there are actually girls that want to get married, but the guy is saying no for those little reasons, that she's a bit short. Oh, she's a bit dark. Oh, no, I want her to be from this background. I want her to be, from Kenya, like those things.
So is that the reason why you're Uganda instead?
Yes, that's one of the reasons, because the guys are not ready to get married. All I want to know, Chala, she's ready. The girl is ready. She's ready, like she's really ready to get married. The guy comes and sees her, they're preparing to get married, and then eventually he drops out. He's like, I didn't want her. When you ask him why, it's a very petty reason. Like, oh, she's a bit too short, or she's too tall. I didn't want her at the moment. Then again, find other people. So the girls above all, you've seen the reality. Some of them go back to Uganda and they find a Ugandan man and they get married from there. Because the man, although age is just a number, but you find the man is 28, 29. But I know Wongo were 15-year-olds still. Yeah? You see, a 20-year-old man, Abamu, from here in London, UK, not the Uganda, not the same age. It's a different perspective, like very different. So I'm not generalizing. I'm just telling you from what I've been hearing and friends and all that stuff.
And I know what you're speaking the truth. There's nothing to
yeah.
I know it.
You see that the girl is happy with the guy, but the guys here, some of them don't dress properly. They wear their trousers half. They be jumping around when they're walking. They feel like buying us swag. They feel like they're on top of the world, yeah. But really,
they're not mature enough.
So then the girl
and she has a very good point.
Yes. So you find, I don't want to be like rude, but some of them you find Bali a bit, okay, I don't want to say ghetto, but I don't know what the word is. Like, they're not formal enough to be receptive enough for the girl. Like, they're still young. Okay, they're still hyped. Okay, Bali hyped about MC. Like, I'm still young, yeah? I still have to do this and this. The girls still want to go after
young when he's 29.
Exactly. That's the problem. So, abamu bade Uganda, nabafanayo abasajeri, who have all
my daughter,
but are focused.
My daughter. Seka muguru.
Yes.
Nze nga sirabanga avayo kujja kunnona eno.
Ukaddiye nnyo. Baisha bagala nnyo akaja 256 kubasuka waawo. I know valid points is in community ko badde weebuuza lwaki abawala bava wano ne bagenda kati wenjogerera balinganga bana bagenze Uganda kufumbirwa baana bakulidde wano bazaalibwa wano balemedde okufuna abasajja wano for the reasons muwala wange Aisha zava okutugamba. It's very reality.
Yeah, the other thing is because Sajja feels he's still young, although that age is there, he gets the chance of dating other girls in the community. You'll find there's one man, I don't want to say boy, there'll be one man and then he has like other 3 girls he's rotating around with.
And he's lying them, he's going to marry them.
Exactly. And then when the girl's actually serious, you'll find that all three of them are actually serious. They want to get married to him. But for him, he's just playing around because alindo lyo mweru omuwanvuko portable figure abantu bebamanyi that they want certain things in a girl that even if she's not religious enough and doesn't have good character, it's what the guy will go for to please himself and to please his other guy friends in the like reputation, prestige. Oh, Leah was his one omweru. She's brown and tall. Bagala brown. They like a lot of brown. So that's the
Why should I have a Zoom?
So you find a tomato brown. That's all. So he'll go tell his guy friends.
Maybe also you are coming there for 6 packs from here.
Sorry?
Also, maybe you are coming from there to get men from Africa because many Africans, we have 6 packs.
Let me tell you, when a girl is ready to get married, she can sacrifice a few things. She can sacrifice a few things when a girl's actually ready to get married. Whatever she's set, and she's pleased with certain things, then she'll get married. Like she'll accept the guy. That's why because the timeline, even the girl's age matters. So Balabantino, she's hit like 25, 26, and now I'm like, oh no, my time is running out. Nadayo, Nafuno Ali focus. Then she gets married. And then her life moves on. You find the girl, they've been dating 3 years ago. Kuva, her ex, or someone that was like, that wanted to get married to her years ago, he's still single, still walking around, looking around, searching. So we call them the trophy wives. Trophy wife. A wife that he can walk around with and brag to the community that, yes, she has done a trophy wife. We call them the trophy wife.
Aisha atwedde mu luzungu tajja kutegeera naye nze ndowooza nti ensonga z'omwana ono abakadde abali bano baziwulira, please take them very serious. Ayogedde ensonga nkulu nnyo mu community and these things are happening here as we speak. Naye olaba nti omukyala yajja n'amugya Uganda. So I think we should...
Okay, Aisha funza inshallah.
Okay. Yeah, no, the other issue is sometimes you can wait for me, we can get married after 2 years. She waits, and like she's also catching up with age. So when she reaches like 27, 28, she thought that the guy would get married to her, and then all of a sudden he just drops her. So you'll find that in the community you also have that age bracket of the girls who aren't married yet because of the empty promises the guy has probably made, like that he'll get married to her. So eventually they're forced to go out of the Ugandan community and go get married to other Africans or other like ethnic minority, like just go out of the community and they get married. So even you guys will wonder why didn't they marry Amalenzi back then? Those are the little reasons that it's normally about the focus. Like, if a girl's...
In your view, nchimanto chani mwana muto na ye oloza tusaze magezi as a community kubanga that is a bit scary.
Yeah, I think it's about, first of all, the upbringing. I think the parents need to really mold the sons from a young age. They tell them that it's not about appearances, it's about inside. So although you can find a woman attractive, but they should be focused. When they find a certain target, they should be focused. Number one, that's for the parents to bring up the guy. And also, they should also try and regulate the guy's friends. The guy's friends really have a lot to play with the guy himself. Yeah, so you find that the guy's friends really don't have good thinking, and then they brainwash the guy. So he also starts thinking like them. So that's another reason. Yeah. The other thing is although some people it's not easy to travel, but people should go travel around different places and live with different communities and get exposed to how other people live and see how reality is, like what happens in people's lives. Because if you stay in one place, you won't get exposed. you believe that you're always right, and then you start becoming rigid about certain things. So that also can affect someone's choice in a spouse.
Okay, I think by'omwana byebyo tubiwulidde. Abawulidde babiwulidde abatagala kuwulira muteekemu pamba mu matu naye ng'ayogedde
omuwala alina ensonga ze.
He has a very, very good points.
Yes. Webale nnyo
sinise ndowooza mukyala Mariam bw'anaabazze okwogera abakulu ensonga z'omwana aziwulidde ajja kuzihandolinga tulenge gy'asobola okuzoogerako naye nga bannange ekintu bwekityo bwe kitambula. Eky'omukisa omulungi ffe twavadda mu ddiiro naye yeah, it's a very big challenge here, very big challenge.